How the world's logistics system really moves everything you own and keeps modern life running. Every single morning, you grab your phone, your coffee mug, your favorite t-shirt, your running shoes. You sit in your office chair, type on your keyboard, drink from your water bottle. All those ordinary objects arrived at your home recently. Some by drone, some by bicycle courier, some by massive trucks rumbling through the night. You open a shopping app on your phone. Click the buy button. 4 days later, someone rings your doorbell with a cardboard box. No drama, no visible struggle, no explanation required. But that simple delivery represents the most complex physical coordination network humans have ever engineered. One single breakdown anywhere in that chain creates shortages worldwide. If you enjoy understanding how the world really works, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications right now. Every week we reveal the hidden systems you depend on every single day without even realizing their existence. Your new wireless earbuds did not teleport from a factory in Shenzhen to your apartment. Your running shoes did not walk themselves from a factory in Vietnam to your mailbox. Every single item you touch traveled between 5,000 and 15,000 kilometers across 3 continents. Today we are going to follow your Amazon order from a factory floor in Dongguan, China, all the way to the delivery truck parking outside your apartment building in Sao Paulo. Most consumer electronics, clothing, and household goods start their journey in factories clustered around Shenzhen and Dongguan in southern China. When you place that late-night order at 11 p.m., the specific item you want already sits inside a regional warehouse in New Jersey or Sao Paulo. But that warehouse never runs empty. It stays constantly refilled by gigantic container ships sailing non-stop from Asia. 99.2% of all global trade measured by volume crosses the world's oceans. Every iPhone case, every pair of blue jeans, every kitchen blender, every pair of wireless headphones arrived inside identical 40-foot steel containers weighing 30 tons when full. One standard shipping container provides 58 cubic meters of cargo space. That's enough volume for 2,000 full-size refrigerators. Or 50 brand new sedans carefully packed side by side. Or enough clothing to completely stock the shelves of a mid-sized department store from floor to ceiling. A single modern container ship stretches 400 meters from bow to stern. 4 American football fields placed end to end. Its deck and 7 below-deck levels carry 20,000 TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units. Each of these floating giants burns 200 tons of heavy bunker fuel every single day. That's enough diesel to fill 8 Olympic-sized swimming pools during a typical 30-day voyage across the Pacific. 25 crew members live on board for those entire 30 days without ever setting foot on land. The ship captain coordinates arrival with port authorities 3 weeks in advance. Dock assignments get confirmed exactly 48 hours before arrival. One crane operator mistake midway through unloading drops a $1 million container straight into the harbor below. When your specific ship finally docks, 50 shore-based gantry cranes immediately swing into action. Each crane grabs 1 container every 90 seconds with laser-guided precision. That's 40 containers unloaded per crane per hour. 2,000 containers processed in a single 12-hour shift. Trucks wait below in exactly choreographed order. Specialized chassis trailers with twist locks grab each container and race toward inland rail yards 20 miles away. Double-stack rail takes over for the 2,000-mile cross-country journey to massive distribution centers. The total journey from ocean to warehouse takes between 5 and 10 days depending on customs clearance and inland transport. Distribution centers themselves span the area of 150 football fields. Amazon's largest facility processes 2 million individual packages every single day. Inside these behemoths, 600 kilometers of conveyor belts run continuously. Robots equipped with suction cup arms grab your specific box and scan its barcode 1,000 times per second. Artificial intelligence instantly predicts which truck bay your package belongs to before the robot even reaches the sorting wall. Trucks depart from distribution centers at precisely scheduled times. Each driver handles between 150 and 200 individual stops throughout their shift. GPS systems recalculate the mathematically optimal route every 15 seconds to avoid traffic delays in construction. If this type of detailed behind-the-scenes explanation interests you, Make sure you are subscribed right now. Upcoming videos will explore waste management systems, global food distribution networks, and pharmaceutical supply chains in exactly the same invisible way. Ocean ports never close or sleep. The Port of Long Beach alone processes 9 million containers every year. Customs authorities scan every single container using gamma-ray and X-ray technology. 99.9% receive automated clearance in under 2 minutes. Biometric facial recognition instantly identifies trusted shippers and clears paperwork. Chinese factories pack goods into containers using international color codes. Blue containers carry general retail merchandise. Red containers transport temperature-controlled perishables. Yellow containers hold hazardous chemicals and materials. White containers exclusively carry pharmaceuticals requiring climate control. Distribution centers do not merely react to customer orders. Sophisticated algorithms analyze your zip code, your complete purchase history, seasonal shopping patterns, and even local weather forecasts. Jeans automatically move toward São Paulo warehouses every June. Winter coats migrate to New York distribution centers every September. Right this moment, the blender you will purchase next month already travels somewhere across the Pacific Ocean. Amazon tests drone delivery in Arizona suburbs. 500 drone flights occur daily in test zones. Autonomous electric trucks haul full container loads from the Port of Long Beach to Phoenix without a single human driver. Global logistics infrastructure moves 12.3 billion metric tons of cargo every single year. That calculates to 1.6 tons transported per person currently alive on planet Earth. Every single fork in your silverware drawer, every sock in your dresser, every light bulb in your home, passed through this invisible web of steel containers, diesel engines, and computer code. Water infrastructure, electrical transmission grids, internet fiber optic cables, international banking ledgers, and now global logistics infrastructure all share one fundamental pattern. They represent massive invisible machines that sustain modern civilization. You only truly notice their existence when they suddenly fail. One single container ship named Ever Given blocks the Suez Canal for 6 days. 2 weeks later, Walmart shelves across America stand completely empty. iPhone production immediately halts worldwide. One labor strike closes the port of Los Angeles for 3 days. 48 hours later, Target Corporation runs out of consumer electronics nationwide. Automobile factories idle for lack of imported parts. One Brazilian truck driver calls in sick unexpectedly. One entire neighborhood waits an additional 72 hours for scheduled deliveries. Every single package currently sitting on your front porch required exactly 8,247 separate human decisions to reach its destination. It passed through 47 different vehicles and machines. 12 separate computer systems tracked its status in real time. The precise moment that coordination fails even slightly somewhere upstream, modern consumer life immediately ripples with shortages and delays. If you want to continue understanding these massive systems that silently support every aspect of your daily life, subscribe to the channel right now and turn on the notification bell. In the next video, we will explore exactly how your household trash disappears from the curbside bin and magically re-enters the global economy through sophisticated waste management and recycling infrastructure. That is how the world works.